Hello everybody, in this particular video I am going to discuss if we say no to these things. So these are some things I list out here. If we say no to these things, then only GPAT say yes to you. So what are the things you need to be say no, then the GPAT say yes, that means you are going to crack GPAT. So what are the things you need to be stop so that it will help you to crack GPAT. So everything we are going to discuss in this particular video. So the first thing is that if you want to crack GPAT, you should be stop the procrastination. Okay, everyone have a little bit amount of procrastination. In practical, no person is a procrastinator person. So everyone will do some procrastination, okay, including me also, and even any top ranker also. It is okay to accept the procrastination, but it should not be become a habit for you to do the procrastination. So what happens means a lot of students having the habit of doing the procrastination every day, so that thing will be not accepted to crack GPAT. Okay, procrastination is everywhere is there. So if I want to do something, if I want to shoot one video, I will do some procrastination. But if the procrastination becoming is a habit for you, that will dangerously hurt you to crack GPAT. That is the reason if you say no to the procrastination, automatically your chances to crack GPAT exam will be increased. And another thing is the frequent watching of movies. Why I'm saying, okay, I also watch the movies, but you can also watch the movies, no issue. In GPAT preparation also you can enjoy the preparation and you can enjoy your life as well. But if you're frequently watching the movies, means what happens means if you watch 3 hours movie, so the effect of the movie will be next 12 hours. So that means whatever the scenes we seen in that movie, that effect should be there on our brain for next 12 hours. So actually what happens means, in normally a lot of people watch everyday movies, or 2 days 3 days one movie they watch. If you watch frequently everyday movie, what happens means the effect of that movie should be there on your brain for next 12 hours or that like that. So if you are watching frequently movies, then what if you read something, it will not go into your brain because the effect of movie will working on your brain. So that is the reason if you want to get a very good score, or if you want to get something good in GPAT, say no to the frequent watching movies. Yes, you can watch movies and you can enjoy. So that is the thing. Another thing, laziness. Okay, laziness and craziness is the common in this age of student age, but try to reduce this one. So whenever you want to do some work, please, what is the thing if you want to do means, if you want to study something, please keep the book in front of you, or in the morning if you want to study something, please keep book in front of book on the bed, so that automatically when you wake up you will easily study. And at the same time, what you need to do in order to avoid the laziness, so if you want to read alkalides topic tomorrow morning, just fold that page alkalides and keep at your bed. So automatically in the morning when you wake up, if you just open the book, so automatically alkalides topic will come. So these kind of things will decrease your laziness. So say no to the laziness, so GPAT will say yes to you. And not having consistency, this is another reason. So a lot of students, if they read today, tomorrow they will sleep. If you have this kind of mentality, this kind of nature, GPAT surely will say no to you. And at the same time, 95% of people fail to crack GPAT because they have not having the consistency. So if you have consistency in the preparation, then only GPAT will say yes to you. So okay, and postponing, so this is the same thing, procrastination and laziness and postponing, these are all the same thing. If you have started postponing, so it will become the habit and it will dangerously hurt you. And at the same time, telling the reasons. So for example, a lot of people will say that, sir, this is the reason I'm not doing, this is the reason I have this problem. You know something, lot of people have much more problem than you. Even I also have a lot of problems. But what happens, don't tell the reason, try to tell the solutions. If you are started telling the reason, that means you are not deserved for this. Okay, so in my time I have a lot of problems when I preparing GPAT, but I never tell the reasons. I want to only one thing, to crack GPAT. That is the only reason I have. So don't tell the reason. Telling the reasons will make you away from GPAT. So automatically if you stop preparation today and you are saying something reason, okay, it is valid, okay, no one will hurt you and no one is there to ask you are telling the reason or not. But don't tell the reason to you. So if you are telling reason to you, means you are dangerously hurting yourself. So don't tell the reason. Telling the reasons is not a good. Okay, whenever the proper reason is okay, no issue. But if it became a habit for you, GPAT will surely say no to you. So if you say no to the telling reasons, automatically GPAT say yes to you, because if you are not tell the reason, means you are doing work. And wasting too much time on social media. this is another thing. So okay, you can use the social media, WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, whatever it may be you want to use, but if it became the habit to waste too much of time on social media, it will dangerously harm your GPAT preparation. Because what happens means, if you started preparation, immediately one message came from WhatsApp, so automatically you open that message. After seeing that message and you see that some WhatsApp statuses, so in the film, in normal what happen, our friends or something, they will keep some funny statuses. So what happen when you see that funny status, so automatically your mood will change, so your focus will change from education to funny status. So automatically you will go to the YouTube and you browse that status or something you will do. So this kind of activities will drastically affect your quality of study. So that is the reason, you can use complete social media, you can enjoy everything, but say no to social media in particular time when you are studying. If you are opening social media in study time, it will affect your quality of study. You are just placing book in front of you and you are not reading. And not responsibility, a lot of people not take the responsibility about their career. So and if you are not having the responsibility, also GPAT will say no, because if you take the responsibility every day, and every day when you read, you will get the good rank in GPAT. And telling the reasons, so these are all are the same thing. Okay, I hope you clearly understand. When you say the no to this points whatever I mentioned here, then GPAT automatically say yes, and it will come to you and it will give you good rank. I hope you understand. Thank you. Have a nice day.